In the Faroe village of Vestmanna, you can buy tickets for an unforgettable trip to the Vestmanna bird cliffs. Several boats will offer to sail you to the cliffs. It takes about half an hour to get there. The bright colours of Vestmanna glide past, while the real thrill awaits you ahead. En route to the cliffs, you'll pass mountains and birds, while the guide talks about the sea. He knows all about the bird life out here and shares his knowledge bit by bit. But the real experience comes when the boat begins to sail really close to the foot of the cliffs and into the caves. Man is tiny here, and the sounds of sea, mountain and birds embrace you. All your senses are stimulated. This is eternity. Here, time stands still. This has looked the same for millions of years before people settled in Faroe, and it still looks as grand. The boat whirs in and out among the rock formations. It looks dangerous, but don't worry, you're in safe, strong hands. They've sailed here thousands of times before. If you visit Faroe, the Vestmanna bird cliffs are a must. These 2 hours pass quickly, but the memories of a trip like this will stay with you all your life.